What is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a type of business entity that provides limited liability protection to its owners. This type of entity is especially attractive to small business owners, as it offers the same benefits of a corporation but is much easier to set up and manage. An LLC has its own legal identity, separate from that of its owners. This means that the LLC is a separate legal entity on its own, and its owners are not personally responsible for any debts or obligations the LLC incurs. This protects the owners from personal liability in the event that the LLC is sued or has debts that it cannot pay. In addition to providing personal liability protection, an LLC also offers tax advantages. LLCs can choose to be taxed as either an S-corporation or a partnership. The type of taxation chosen will determine how the profits and losses are taxed. To form an LLC, you must register it with the state where you plan to do business. This involves filing the appropriate paperwork and paying a filing fee. The LLC must also have an operating agreement, which outlines the business structure, management, and ownership. An LLC can be managed by one or more members or managers. Members are owners who have the right to vote on major decisions affecting the LLC, while managers are in charge of day-to-day operations. An LLC can also have additional members or managers added to it after it has been formed. This makes it easy to add additional owners or managers to the LLC without having to go through the process of forming a new entity. Overall, an LLC is an attractive option for small business owners looking for limited liability protection without the complexity of a corporation. By setting up an LLC, business owners can enjoy the benefits of a corporation without having to worry about complex corporate regulations.